Hey everyone, I am Nisha Gupta, a final year BCA student at I.T.S College of Professional Studies, Greater Noida. I am really happy and proud to be at IIT Mandi for a 1-month radiational program called Prayas 3.0, which focus on robotics, AI and IoT. During this amazing program, I got a chance to work on and complete 4 interesting robotics projects. Number 1, line phoning board, number 2, follower board, number 3, obstacle detection board, and number 4, Wi-Fi control board. And I also had a great fun participating in a robo soccer board competition with another team. What I love about robotics is that it brings machine to life. We give them instructions and they actually move, sense and react. When we add AI, the robots can even start to learn and make smart decisions. It feels like turning ideas into real and working machines. This program is being held under the valuable guidance of respected Manoj sir, and I am truly thankful for the constant support from Dr. Dilip sir and the entire I.T.S management. Thank you.